planet's life does not end in a sudden catastrophic collapse. It ends in a whisper. They fade, not explode, over a timescale almost too vast to comprehend. The very first sign of this decline is not extinction, but a quiet internal change. It is cooling. Deep within the planetary engine, a core of molten metal and decaying radioactive elements begins to lose its fire. As this internal heat drops, the slow, powerful dance of tectonics grinds to a halt. Volcanoes, which once replenished the atmosphere, fall silent. The world's ability to circulate its essential chemistry, the very lifeblood of its geology, ceases. When circulation ends, repair ends. This quiet, irreversible shift is visible across our own solar system. Mercury is not merely small, it is ancient and cold, a world that has shrunk upon itself. This cooling triggers a catastrophic chain reaction. The molten core's motion once generated a vast protective magnetic shield. As the core solidifies, this shield begins to fail. It flickers, it weakens. Without this protection, the planet is left defenseless against the relentless solar wind. The atmosphere is no longer safe. It doesn't vanish in a great storm. It is stripped away, molecule by molecule, bleeding out into the void. Water molecules are split by harsh radiation, their hydrogen lost forever to space. Mars did not explode, it withdrew. We see the ghosts of its past in dried riverbeds and polar ice caps, remnants of a world that lost its protection and froze. In the next chapter, you will witness the fate of worlds after their shields are gone, exposed to the true dangers of the cosmos. One cycle, infinite worlds, the series continues,